Hello, this is novaTopFlex. In this video, I will be attempting a larger screen size for virtual network computing, VNC. In my last video, I would have attempted VNC with a display resolution on the VNC of 128 by 96. In this demonstration, I'm using regular CIF 352 by 288 for my demonstration. As you can tell right now, a full-size X term, 80 by 24, does not fit. Later in the video, you will learn that it's 58 by 22 that fits. Yes, exactly 58 by 22 is roughly what CIF is the equivalent to. You will see me attempt commands like lstopo, which I believe doesn't fit, lshwgtk, which tries to fit but is very difficult. And then later on, you will see other commands and other applications that can fit comfortably in a 352 by 288 VNC server. As you can tell right now, I am actually using FFmpeg to follow my mouse cursor on display 0, but my VNC is display 1. So this is why. The window manager is Openbox on display 0 and TinyWM from GitHub on the VNC, which is why you will notice that only Openbox window decorations appear once. Now I'm trying CPU X. CPU X is like CPU Z, and the difference is that CPU X is just for Linux, and I believe it's also open source, unlike the Windows tool, obviously. CPU X doesn't actually fit on, I believe that, I'm not sure if it's the difference between Qt and GTK, but if it is, well, LSHW GTK did fit, although not very comfortably on 352 by 288. That is 352 pixels wide by 288 pixels tall. As you could tell, sorry about changing workspaces, X clock fits comfortably on 352 by 288. Now I'm trying to do X clock with a larger geometry. So this is what X clock looks like on 352 pixels wide by 288 pixels tall. And sometimes it gets very difficult for me to think even about which applications will fit on 352 by 288. I'm trying Xterm, but for these first few times, Xterm has been too wide. I attempted to make it fit, but the first time I tried, I actually made it wider and shorter, and it's supposed to be narrower and taller. My ultimate goal is to get to the point where everything fits and nothing goes, and to make sure that my terminal window is the same size as the screen in question. Here, you'll notice that it's too small on both dimensions, but I will be inching my way towards 58 by 22. So this next one I'm trying is 57 by 22. There's space for one more letter further to the right. So it's 58 by 22. So this is what it looks like at 58 characters wide and 22 characters tall on 352 by 288 or CIF. So I'm actually going to echo that, and I'm going to pipe it to less this time. And yes, cal and cal, but not all commands will fit. If you like this content and would like to learn more about the Linux commands and Linux, BSD, Solaris, etc. systems, please consider like, share, comment, subscribe, hack the YouTube algorithm, and thanks for watching. Signing off.